In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail on computer. Knowing how much space you have left helps you avoid missed messages and keeps your inbox running smoothly. Let's walk through it together, and I'll point out what to look for along the way. First, open a web browser on your computer and head to the Yahoo Mail website. Sign into your account to reach your inbox. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It's usually a small circle with an avatar. Click that to open a menu. From this drop-down, choose Account Info or Manage Account. This takes you to your Yahoo account settings. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions and Storage or Account Storage. The wording can vary slightly, but the idea is the same. Open that section to see your mailbox storage details. Here, you'll find a clear usage bar or a numeric breakdown that shows how much storage you've used and how much remains. Attachments, photos, and large messages all count toward this total, so if you see a big jump, it's often due to files in your emails. As of 2025, Yahoo Mail typically includes 20 GB of free storage for personal accounts, which is a change from the older 1 TB allotment. Keep an eye on the percentage used so you know when it's time to clean up. If your mailbox is nearing capacity, you may see prompts suggesting an upgrade or offering cleanup tools. These tools can help you quickly delete old messages, filter by size to remove large attachments, or tidy up newsletters you no longer need. If the storage information doesn't appear, try a quick refresh of the page. If that still doesn't load the details, open Yahoo Mail in a different browser, or temporarily disable browser extensions that might block parts of the page, such as content blockers. Those simple checks often make the storage panel show up correctly. There's also an alternate path if you prefer. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings, select More Settings, and then navigate to the Mailbox or Storage section for a detailed usage view. It shows the same information, just from a different menu. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find your remaining space and how to troubleshoot if it doesn't show up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.